fit? Stack up, like some lit. Ain't no tip. Who gon' get jealous when your fit?
What up, YouTube? Hey, man, it's your boy, Scatyblk, checking back with another video, back with another banger video, man. Hey, if you new over here and you... If you new over here and you... If you new over here, make sure you subscribe to the channel, man. You know what I'm saying? Join the family, join the team, man. Hey, we trying to get to 1K over here, man. That's the goal. So I greatly appreciate it if y'all hit that subscribe button down there below. Drop me a comment, man. Let's talk. I'm always in my comments. You know what I'm saying? I reply to everybody comment. Follow me on my Instagram at Scatyblk, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, you know, we trying to go up, man. We trying to go up. So in this video right here, man, it's a real lit video. Y'all already know, man. Houston came down to Dallas. So, you know, I'm in Fort Worth. So me and a lot of guys in Fort Worth, we linked up and we rode out to the Dallas, man. Shout out to D-Town, man. D-Town show number love. Every time your boy go to Dallas, man, hey, man, I get nothing but love from the guys out there, man. They car scene is crazy. Shout out to everybody, man. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to everybody in the video, man. Shout out to everybody who rode out with me today. Shout out to everybody, man. You know what I'm saying? Everybody was cool today. Wasn't no tripping. Wasn't no drama, man. That's always a good thing when you can make it home safe. You know what I'm saying? So in Dallas, man, it's a whole lot of riding going on, man. So behind the meet we was at, like 2 or 3 blocks over, man, they said they was riding in the city, man. So it was crazy out there, man. So we got out safe. Hopefully everybody made it home safe, man. But yeah, so let's roll this video, man. And I ain't gonna come back on. I'll see y'all on the next video, man. Come on, man, y'all see what it is, man. My boy King David out here, man. Hey, we finna head to the Houston Dallas car meet, man. We finna meet up, man. We in Fort Worth, Texas. You know what I'm saying? We done brought everybody out, man. Everybody in the city done came out. Done pulled up on us, man. Yeah, man, I'm talking about they lined up all the way down there, man. All the way, man. Man, y'all know I gotta get this footage, man. Look at, hey, boy, we out here today, man. Come on, man, we out here today, man. We deep. Come on, man, we out here. There was one dude in that black challenge, in the SRT, we waiting on him. Come on, man. Man, he got that Daytona over there, that thing talking, man. Yeah, come on, man. Yeah. Come on, y'all heard that thing talking, man. Ooh, man, that thing loud, bro. Jeez. Ooh-wee, man. Man, ain't easy. Come on, man, that white thing pulled up. Come on, got that joker busting out that thing. That thing hard. That's King David's wife and his boy right there. You know what I'm saying? The GT, you know what I'm saying? Looking good. Hey, yeah, shout out to the homie, man. Little homie. Come on, man. We're out here today. Sucker free. Come on, man. Y'all already know what that is, man. Come on, man. What's up, homie? Turn, man. Come on, man. We out here, man. They pulling up. Come on, man. Scat pack. Come on. Hey, we out here. Come on, man. Yeah. Hey, we outside. No. We from Fort Worth, bro. Y'all from Fort Worth? Yeah, we from Fort Worth, man. Come on, man. We out here today, man. Yes, sir. We out here today, man. Y'all see what it is, man. Come on, man. Yeah, them boys behind me, man. Yeah, man. Come on, man. Let me get out. Let me get out this bitch. Hey, come on, man. We lined up. Got them all the way back there, man. Y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy Scatyblk, man. Come on, sucker freak. Right there, man. Come on, man. We out here today, man. Yeah, man. Come on. Y'all see what it is, man. Take out, man. So, YouTube, we done made it out here, man, to the Dallas-Houston meet, man. Y'all see this thing is thick, man. Come on, man. Yeah, man. Y'all see all these cars out here, man. Ooh, somebody done burned a little rubber, man. Somebody burned a little rubber.
What you had these other meets, man? Get that wide by this over.
Hey, make sure Pretty Boy 13 go Follow the YouTube channel, man. Hey, newest member for the Fort Worth Street Runners, man. Anything you want to shout out, bro? No? He a little camera shot right now, but he gonna get used to it. Cause we gonna roll this camera. Y'all know who that is. OG Bobby Johnson, man. What's up? Talk to the people.
What's up with it, man? King David 817, man. Make sure y'all go like, follow, and subscribe, man. Try to go up all year like that way.
Come on, man. Up there, all the way up there. Hey, he got something new that he done did to the Daytona, man. I ain't gonna tell y'all what it is. Y'all make sure he dropping that video soon. Make sure y'all check that video out, man. Come on, man. We out here today. Oh, that hard, bro.
Yeah, man.
Hell yeah. Ooh, that's hard. Street legend boys. I think they from Houston.
Yeah, they gotta be from Houston.
Yeah. Come on. Ooh, say, bro. Come on, man. That thing hard. Come on, man. Come on. She done took the dog. She done took the dogs off that thing, man. Yeah. Come on, man. That thing crazy, man. Come on, Jeep Girl. Don't do him like that out here today, man.
Jeep Girl Unlimited. You hear me? Go follow me on Instagram. Jeep Girl _ Unlimited and follow me on YouTube.
Yeah.
Jeep Girl Unlimited. Going up all 2020.
Come on, man. That way. Y'all see how she coming?
They messing you up.
Yeah. Yeah, man, that boy, look at that like Ricky shit. Clean, man. Yeah, Mopar done pulled up. Boy, that boy done threw them 40s on that thing, man. Come on now. Safe for Lonzo. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm like getting y'all food.
Deadpool.
No, this just the beat.
Oh, that's a fly.
Come on, man. This hey, Richie car right here, man.
And Killer Hornet.
That thing hard, boy. Ooh, come on, man. Big 5-inch tips on that thing, boy. Yes, sir, man. That beat, it got the beat. It go all the way, like the wings, man, all the way on the window, like the detail on it. It's crazy, bro. Ooh, man, my homie ain't playing with it, man. Come on, man. 392, man. Don't sleep on him, man. Make sure y'all give him a follow. Yeah, man. Hard, bro. That is hard.
Oh, that's a 392.
Come on, man. Rell done pulled up. You done shut it down with this one, bro. Yeah. Come on, man. Ooh. Sheesh. Oh, let's turn up right here. Come on, man. Sheesh. That'd be hard, bro.
I gonna do you like that, man. Yeah, no, I know, man. You know what I'm saying?
Come on, man. It's going down out here, man. Y'all see what it is. Let me cut my car right quick. Hold on, man. Let me get some of this last minute. Cap. Man, y'all already know that's Cap. Hey, 392, man. Come on, man. Baddest. One of the baddest motherfuckers in the land, man. Show y'all his car, bro. The whole Mo Power squad right here. Them boys deep, bro. Yeah, man. Come on. Man, that thing hard, man. Ooh, that's hard. Come on, man. Y'all go check him out, man. Cap 392, man. Yeah, man. This thing talking. Nice. Come on, man. The whole squad. I follow the whole squad, man. Oh, they out here turned up. Hold on. Let's go get this footage. Oh! Man, y'all already know what it is, man. We out here got my boy Sayful Lonzo. Yeah.
Black Bruce Banner. I am him, his, our one. You damn well bet your ass to believe you are the same, man. Chase your dreams, man.
Come on, man.
Did, baby.
Woo.
Sports,
Come on, man.
On the fuck you mean?
Yeah, hey, he ain't playing no games. No shout stopping right here, man. Yeah, man. Come on, man. Big 40s on that thing,
Hey,
man.
and it ain't done. And it only just begun.
Yeah, come on, man. Y'all check him out, man. Yeah, man, make sure y'all go give him a subscribe, man. Sayful Lonzo on YouTube, man. Come on, same thing on IG, man. Y'all check him out, man. Come on, got that incredible Hulk thing on them 40s, man. He ain't playing no games, bro. Come on, man.
Oh, man, chase your dreams, man.
Yeah.
Don't dream about it, just do it, man.
Yeah.
Let's get it,
Come on, man. What's up? Can we get a drip check?
Hey, drip.
Come on, can we get a drip check? Yeah. Come on, man. My boy stay dripped out, man.
I got the match ass.
Yeah, man. Sayful Lonzo. That's what's happening.
Rock with us, man. We're going all the way up, man. That's the forward, man. We're getting it, man.
Yeah.
Let's get it, man.